In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your password in Clio Manage. Keeping your account secure starts with a strong, up-to-date password, and Clio Manage makes the process straightforward. Begin by signing into your account as you normally would. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Settings. This is your central hub for account controls and system preferences, so it's the best place to start when you want to make changes to your profile or security details. Inside Settings, locate the System section. Under that heading, click Security and Compliance. This area groups together key safeguards for your account, including controls related to how you sign in. If you manage multiple settings in Clio, taking a moment to confirm you're in the Security and Compliance page will help you stay on track. Once you're on the Security and Compliance page, find the Login Information section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to see it. This section contains the details tied to your login, and it's where you'll make the actual password change. Next to Password, click Change. This opens the form you'll use to update your credentials. You may see it appear as a button or a link. Either way, selecting Change will bring up the fields you need. Now enter your password details. Type your current password first so Clio can verify it's really you. Then enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again in the confirmation field. For best results, choose a password that's unique to Clio Manage, with a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, or consider a long passphrase that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Make sure the new and confirmation fields match exactly, and keep an eye on any on-screen guidance about password length or complexity to ensure your new choice meets the requirements. When you're ready, click Save or Update Password to apply the change. If the system flags a mismatch or a strength issue, simply re-enter your details and try again. A brief moment of patience here helps prevent lockouts and keeps your account secure. After your changes are saved, your new password will be used the next time you sign in to Clio Manage. That's all there is to it. Updating your password regularly is a simple habit that goes a long way in protecting your data and your client's information. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to keep your credentials safe and consider setting a reminder to review your password periodically.